witness the Kapamilya Forever Born to Shine network and management contract signing of one of the brightest actresses here on the Kapamilya Network. Of course, Belle Mariano. Pero mamaya, makakachika natin siya. Don't forget to use our official hashtag, #KapamilyaForever. Belle, lalo na po yung mga nanonood sa atin ngayon sa official Facebook and YouTube pages ng ABS-CBN Entertainment and Star Magic. Okay, please welcome. Hindi ko na patatagalin because the cameras are ready, the lights are on. Belle Mariano!
Hi again.
Kamusta ang nagkape?
Okay, ano na
Okay,
siya?
short story, go ahead.
Ayun nga, I was saying earlier kasi, di ba, minsan pag nagko-coffee tayo, ninenervous tayo, we get all jittery, pero baliktad po, kumakalpa ako pag nakaka-coffee.
Talaga?
Oo, hindi ko alam ba.
So, kalmado ka na?
That's why I love coffee, yes.
Kalmado na to, ha?
Yes.
Pero mataas ang energy.
Yes. Kalmado ako pag mataas.
I know. How was that experience, signing, renewing your contract with ABS-CBN and Star Magic?
Sobrang nakakatuwa, syempre. It's really something that I'm really looking forward to, and I feel like this just solidifies that I am a Kapamilya forever.
Parang, na-imagine mo, parang, siguro nung bata ka, na-imagine mo na yun na, nagka-practice ka na pumipirma ng kontrata.
Pre-practice ko yung signature ko na
Ay, oo?
Hindi, na-joke lang.
Alam mo kasi may bilin si Tita Malu.
Ano po yun?
Santos, parang sabi niya, kapag pipirma ka daw, dapat yung pinakadulo, pataas. Para it's swerte.
Tama ba? Pataas naman. Sige po,
Tagawin
tagawin
mo.
mo.
Mariano. Pataas naman. Ayun,
Yes.
pataas naman, di ba? Saka, tama ba ako? This is your first time signing?
Yes.
Whoa! So I'm sure yung feelings mo niyan, parang...
Nag-flashback kanina. Actually, we were on standby kanina sa dressing room. Tapos sabi ko, yung dressing room na yun yung dressing room ko nung going bulilit ako. We were literally beside Studio 5. Tapos dun kami nag-going. So medyo nagpa-flashback lahat sa akin today. All throughout the 14 years. Sabi ko, parang bumabalik po ako sa from going bulilit, Lorenzo's time, Provinciano, and then he's into her. Parang bits and pieces of those memories are slowly coming back to me today. So it's really it's really what a day for me, and sobrang kakataba ng puso ko.
Is that the reason why kanina hindi mo na napagilang maging emotional?
Yes! Actually, nung VTR pa lang, sabi ko, hindi ako iiyak. I was telling sina Tita Cory. Sabi, Tita Cory, hindi po tayo, iiyak ka. And then I saw my mom. She was literally in the center. Sabi ko, hala, dun pa talaga pumesta si mommy. Iyak talaga ako nito. Pero syempre po, it's really something that I've been looking forward to after 14 years. And yun nga, nakakatuwa kasi these amazing bosses, and these my fellow ABS-CBN artists, everyone, and I saw their messages, talagang nakakataba ng puso kasi they're all very supportive.
Saka, meron bang kasama ka na rin yun? Sort of pressure? Di ba? Parang minsan pag pwede maka, oh my God, expectations are high, parang may ganun. O wala lang, parang you're just floating on air.
Earlier, I was really just getting a grasp of everything. I was enjoying. I was in the moment talaga. Kasi it's something that I looked forward to do.
Right. Siguro curious na kaming malaman, ano ba yung mga gagawin ni Belle? What are the projects lined up for you? Ano yung mga pwede mo nang i-share?
Meet, greet, and buy, of
course! You started with that already?
Yes, we're currently shooting. Di ko po alam, pwede na po sabihin yung iba. Yeah. Oh yes! I'm gonna be releasing an album, so abangan niyo po yan. I won't get into details kasi kilala niya naman po ako. Lagi po ako nagsispoil kapag nagsasalita ako.
So it's an album?
Yeah, an album. So that we can look forward to, and definitely there's gonna be something. Ate, pwede ba sabihin?
Ako na magtatanong. Ito tatanong ko na. Is there a birthday concert?
Yes po. Pwede, yes po. Yes po. So, abangan natin yan.
No, naalala ko, that's why I asked that. Ang ganda ng birthday concert last year.
Oh, yes!
Di ba remember?
Yeah.
Tapos parang nagkaroon pa tayo na parang meet and greet.
Yeah,
Tapos no phones.
Yes.
Super fun.
We went around. We
Yes.
really, we really made the time to get to know one another.
Right. Sana ulitin mo yun, yung ganong format.
Yeah, it's really
Na
nice,
walang phone, di ba?
Yeah. We'll make it, greater this time. Mas
Oh,
maganda,
I love it. Okay, simulan na natin yung ating Q&A. We have questions from the press na gusto nilang itanong sa iyo. Mula kay Juno Reyes of Rappler. Juno, are you here? Ayun, si Juno.
Hello po.
Now that you're over a decade Ang lakas matanda, no? Over a
Kaya nga
decade.
po, sabi ko kanina, grabe naman yung
Ano ba, officially, anong year?
14.
2014.
What year I started? 2011. So,
Matapang 14 years.
14 years.
Tanda ka na.
Uy! Grabe naman!
Okay, now that you are over a decade into your showbiz career, what new roles or challenges would you like to take on?
Actually, there's still a lot that I want to do. I want to learn more. Of course, ang dami-dami ko pang tatahakin, dami-dami ko pang gustong matutunan. And I would say, ang dami ko pang gustong gawing roles. I've never done anything na, yun nga, something like Bida Contra Bida, which I mentioned, horror. So that's something that I want to do. I won't limit myself po kasi into something na I want to learn talaga and grow, and I want to challenge myself nga.
Ako nga, one of your most recents lang, yung Incognito. Grabe, kahit
Yes.
short stint lang yun, no? Kasi it's so different.
Yes. Actually, that was really challenging. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Kasi after ng shoot, 3 days, parang masasabi mo na, oh my gosh, I can't believe na nagawa ko yun.
Right.
And I think that's the beauty of acting. You get to be different. You get to portray different characters and roles. And
Right.
after you do those characters and roles, you get to learn from them as well. So,
I know right now you're still, you're in the process or in the middle of still nurturing and talagang developing your actress, no, the actress in you.
yes.
Pero you're also singing at the same time, performing, di ba? Nag-host ka din sa ASAP. If I put you on the spot and ask you right now, acting, hosting, singing, ano mas matimbang?
Oh my gosh. Ang hirap naman pong i-weigh. Pero maybe on top, acting.
Of course.
Because I started talaga with acting.
Right.
Yeah, and then music kasi I fell in love with music more as I slowly started writing my own music.
Parang may creative juices na
Yes,
lumalabas.
dun ko po ako na-in love sa craft for music. And then hosting,
Right.
which I'm slowly learning, of course. I'm taking advices from the great ones, of course, from Domingo. Yeah.
Right. Exciting. Okay, thank you, Juno, for your question.
Thank you po.
We go now to Bix Almacen, right here in front of us.
Hello po.
On the first row, how would you describe your journey as a kapamilya? Siguro in a word. How do you describe it?
In a word? Growth.
Okay.
Maybe that. I would say that it's growth because all throughout the years, what I really went through, like there are times na magiging mahirap talaga. There are times na you will fall, and may times talaga na mapanghinaan ka ng loob. But then you rise above it, so it makes you a stronger person. And I think those experiences molded me into who I am today. So I would say it's growth. Being a kapamilya for me is growth, and I'm so grateful to be in this family, of course.
Thank you, candidate number 1.
Huh?
Ay, beauty pageant. Galing na sagot di ba?
Grabe naman.
Parang